When we say Power Platform, we mean 4 different tools: Power BI, Power Automate, Power Apps, and Power Pages. There's a lot of power and complexity that comes with it. Let's put Power BI aside as it's an entirely different class of tools, paid separately, and features do not overlap with Mendix. As for the rest, we need them all to achieve a set of capabilities similar to Mendix. Power Automate is an end-to-end cloud automation platform that includes robotic process automation. Power Apps is a no-code development environment for building custom applications and customizing Microsoft products like Dynamics or SharePoint. And lastly, we have Power Pages, which is necessary for building external-facing portals like B2B and B2C. Still, even all Power Platform tools combined will give you only some of the Mendix power and vice versa. Both will provide you with something extra in different areas, so let's look at them from various angles, starting with the pricing. Power Apps has 4 different licenses, but we can simplify and group them into 2 categories: Premium and Basic. Basic is the one you get under Microsoft subscriptions like Office 365. You have to pay extra for the Premium though. Without it, you cannot use Premium connectors and Dataverse. We'll link this PDF somewhere around if you want to study the details, but the key takeaway is that you need a premium license to meet real-world requirements and get closer to Mendix. Otherwise, your integration and data storage options are minimal. The entry cost is $5 per user and goes up to $20 monthly for unlimited apps. For a large app, you might need extra Dataverse capacity. Let's move to Power Automate, which you will need to run server-side business logic. Things are even more complicated here, but to simplify, you don't have to worry if you already have Power Apps Premium. Your app can run cloud flows using various connectors without an extra license. However, you need an additional license to run workflows that are detached from Power Apps applications. It means an additional $15 per user per month. The last element you will need for client-facing applications is Power Pages, and there are 3 tiers for $200, $75, and $50 monthly per 100 users. That means that for 1,000 external users, you need 10 packs of 100 users for $2,000 per month. This PDF is a good overview of licensing options, but you won't find all the constraints which are spread across multiple articles. You better work with your Microsoft partner to confirm your requirements and final price. Okay, now it's time to look at Mendix. On the pricing page of the Mendix website, you will find a simple table that only tells some of the truth. But no worries, Mendix pricing is quite simple and it consists of 3 main elements. Number 1 is platform fixed fee. Then we have per user fee and deployment fee. That's it. For the platform, you can purchase a standard or a premium license. Premium is mainly for corporate mission critical applications that run on Mendix Cloud. In many cases, standard should be enough. When it comes to users, you can purchase internal for your employees or external users for your business partners. The more users you buy, the less you pay per user. External users are way cheaper. For deployment, you have the following options. There is simple on-premises single server installation. There is Mendix Cloud, which is affordable, fully managed cloud where you pay per resource package. There is also private cloud, an installation on your corporate cloud paid per environment. And finally, there's dedicated cloud, which is isolated cloud managed by Siemens. Now, how much does it all cost? Well, the answer is complicated. Certainly, it will be hard to deploy something for less than 17,000 euros a year, but the more you need, the more room you have for negotiation. For a standard platform, the first pricing component, you pay 10,800 euros per year. The cost of internal users starts at 126 euros per year, but there are multiple thresholds after which the price goes down. And above 500 users, the price is nearly 12 euros per year. Yes, 12 euros per year, so 1 euro per month per user. Now, you may wonder which platform offers the most bang for the buck. As mentioned, Mendix is more suitable for complex applications and should be cheaper in such a scenario. It offers all the bells and whistles and an option for deploying on a private cloud where you define limits like a number of requests or timeouts. In the case of Microsoft, this is another broad topic you must consider. There is no way to go around some of the limitations. Power Platform complements Microsoft products and offers a lower entry point without a fixed platform fee. However, if you start adding more resources and services to meet project goals, you might experience a cost blowout. Microsoft looks cheaper initially, but from my experience, it is slightly more expensive if you are on a full scale.